Hi everyone, so I'm excited to present our project Sui Flow for the track payments and wallets. So it's a next generation decentralized payment solution built on the Sui blockchain. So this is our origin of the creative idea. The goal was to make complex financial coordination feel natural, seamless and decentralized, like water flows without friction. So this is our problem statement. In places like companies or DAOs, great scale salary or fund distribution are insufficient and manual. Group payment requests today like Google Play splits rely on trust and off-chain coordination. That's not fast, decentralized way to automate and track this payment across many users. So this is our problem statement. Next, we'll jump on to our solution for our problem. Our solution, Sui Flow, makes this seamless. It enables parallel multi-send in a single transaction, saving time and gas. It supports decentralized group payments with contributors paying directly to the recipients. And it brings everything together in one trustless app, secured by smart contracts and wallet authentication. So it's a direct wallet execution with full on-chain control. And next we have our entire flow chart for our Sui flow. So first we need to, as usual, to check the wallet and get connected, and we have the dashboards. In the dashboard we have multi-send option, group payment option, contribute and transaction history option. So for the multi-send we have two boxes, input recipients and check balance. For group payment we need to fill the form and we need to send the request, and for the contribute we need to sign in our different wallet and need to contribute for the upcoming request. And here these are the key smart contract calls. We have multi-send, create group payment, contribute to, and cancel and refund.to. So which can cancel the request anytime on chain. And here we have the advantages for our Sui flow. Parallel multi-send, high-speed transfers with one transaction, and also we can import CSV file to implement directly to the recipient address and the amount we need to pay. It's a decentralized group payment, no third-party handling or delays, real-time tracking events logs, every contribution and status change. So gas-efficient architecture, minimal cost with the scalable contract patterns. And then we need to jump on to future advancements. We plan to take this even further, like cross-chain multi-transaction support, enabling payments across multiple blockchain using bridges, role-based access and DAO integration allow treasury teams to securely manage shared payments, and also to scheduled and recurring payments, great for payroll automation, SaaS subscription and rent sharing. So these are the future advancements we have in our mind to take it even further. And here are the deployment details, which is the package ID for our move contract, and this is our GitHub repo, and this is our deployed Vercel app. So that's all for the PPT slides, and then we'll move on to the working live demo, so for better understanding. So this is our live demo. So first, as usual, as I said in the flow chart, we need to connect our wallet using the Slush wallet, Phantom wallet or Backpack, so anything you want. We have multi-split section, group payment section, simulator contribution, open transaction history section. Here we can see the transaction details, and we can click the link to go to the block explorer. Here for the multi-send, we can add our recipient details directly by copying and pasting and the amount we need to send. Also, we can add multiple recipients with the amount by importing the CSV file. It can be 1, 2 or even 1000 in a single transaction. That makes our app unique. So here we can see the imported preview, and we can send it to two recipients in a single click, and you can see the total amount of SUI we are going to send in a single transaction. Here we need to sign the contract as usual, and you can see the two objects changes for parallel execution, and we need to approve, and once again we need to type our password, and yeah, so it's success. So we can go to the transaction history. We can view it in our block explorer that from one recipient it transferred to two, so which is recipient 2, recipient 1 and 2, so from the sender, and we can see there's a blockchain change for 0.1 and 0.1 SUI. And then we can create group payment, where we can add our recipient details of who's going to receive the payment, and we can write the description, which is optional. So here I write room rent share, and we can copy my another two accounts for paying the contribution. And yeah, so I entered the amount of 0.1 and 0.1 SUI, and we can create payment request. So this create payment request will go to manage request, so which I am going to request, and in the contribute tab we can see in our different wallet. So you can see the payment request has been sent on chain, and here it needs the amount from the two recipients. And here we can log in into my another account which I gave for the recipients tab, and yeah, you can see that So here in our contribute, I can see the group payment. So it's a room rent share here, and I need to pay 0.1. So I have to pay 0.10 Sui, and I need to approve and sign the contract. So that's how group payment also works seamlessly. Yeah. So you can see I got a tick mark here. Yes. So that I have paid 0.10. You can see the transaction, and also you can view this in Block Explorer once again for the group payment call. Yeah. So we contributed to the group request. So the 0.1 Sui has been sent to the recipient. Yeah, so that's how it works. So that's all from my side. Thank you.